Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the prepositions. Prepositions indicate relationship between other words in a sentence. Many prepositions tell you where something is or when something happened. Most prepositions have several definitions, so the meaning changes quite a bit in different contexts. Ending a sentence with a preposition is not a grammatical error. There are different types of prepositions. Prepositions that which indicate direction, time, location, and spatial relationships, as well as other abstract types of relationships. For example, the preposition indicating direction, look to the left and you will see our destination. To is the preposition here, it is indicating direction, that is to the left side. Time of preposition of time. We have been working since this morning. Since is the preposition in this sentence. Since is the preposition which is indicating time. We saw a movie at the theater. At is the preposition in this sentence. At is the word, it is indicating the location, that is the theater. The dog hid under the table. Under is the preposition in this sentence. And where was the space? The space was under the table. Usage of prepositions. Between, among. Often we get confused while using these words and end up using the wrong word. Between preposition we have to use for two objects or things or places. For example, there are mountains between Chile and Argentina. Among is used for more than two persons or things. For example, the chief guest distributed prizes among top performers. On. On is used as a preposition of time, place, and position. This means it indicates days of the week. On is used to point out the key position of a person or an object. For example, the bottle is on the table. It is indicating the position. The office will be open on Saturdays. It is indicating the time. In different ways, this preposition could be used. Above and over. Above and over mean position higher than a reference point. In other words, above or over means at a higher position than other object or person. For example, they put an umbrella over the table to avoid heat from the sun. The plane flew over the Atlantic. Birds are flying over the house. Under and below. Under and below mean at a lower level with reference to someone or something. For example, the box are under the table. That means it is vertically lying down under the table. A river flows under a bridge. Sometimes we use the word underneath instead of under and beneath instead of below. There is no difference in meaning. Those they are less common nowadays. Off and off. Off denotes origin or cause, while off denotes separation. He died of cancer. That is cause. Here off we are using it for the cause. He died of cancer. He fell off the horse. Separation. Here the preposition off is indicating separation. The man when he fell off the horse is getting separated from one object. Off. Switch off the lights. To denote, to is used to denote direction or ending point. The children went to the park. Here the word to is indicating direction. He worked from morning to evening. Here, the word to is indicating the ending point. The work began at morning and it ends at the evening. Now, this is the exercise for you. There are thousands of prepositional words, so you can go through the prepositional material which is available online and as well as in many number of grammar books and school level textbooks. So these are the questions. You have to select the correct prepositions given in the brackets. The first question, the book is dash the table next to the computer. Number 2, Shaw and Noel were standing dash a tree waiting for the rain to stop. When they looked up, they saw dark clouds dash them. The children sat dash the campfire and told ghost stories. Number 4, he thought his wallet was dash or purse, but it was actually in his pocket. Number 5, a bird flew through the sky high dash us. Number 6, I was sitting dash two very large people on the ship, so I didn't have much space. Number 7, every time I eat dinner, the dog dash the dinner table next to my leg begging for food. Number 8, my house keys were dash the desk, but I couldn't see them because they were dash a magazine. Number 9, I was in the kitchen when you called, so I didn't hear my phone ringing because I had left it lying dash my bed. Number 10, the castle sits dash two snowy mountains and it has a beautiful stone wall around it. Thank you, students.